There's a big holler tree down the road here from me, where you lay down $1 or two. Go around the bend and you come back again. There's truck full of that little Mountain Dew. They call it that old Mountain Dew. I'm not refusing a few. I'll hush up my mug if you fill up my jug with that good old Mountain Dew. My Uncle Nordy's sawed off and short. He measures a 4'2". It feels like a giant when you hand him a pint of the good old Mountain Dew. They call it that old Mountain Dew. And that refusing a few. I'll hush up my mug if you fill up my jug with that good old Mountain Dew. Bill runs still on the hill where he runs off a gallon or two. The buzzards in the sky get so drunk they can't fly from smelling that good old Mountain Dew. They call it that old Mountain Dew. Them down refusing a few. I'll hush up my mug if you fill up my jug with that good old Mountain Dew. Preacher walked by with his head high, said his wife had me down with the flu. That I ought just to sell him a quart of the good old Mountain Dew.